Are you struggling to create prompts that yield great results? Many people find prompt creation challenging. But crafting the perfect prompt can unlock creativity and foster productivity. Let's explore what makes a prompt effective. An effective prompt is clear, focused and designed to guide the AI toward the exact kind of output you want. State exactly what you want. Avoid vague phrases. Give enough information so the AI understands the situation. Tell the AI the exact structure you want: bullet points, paragraphs, script lines, steps, table, etc. A great prompt sets the direction and enhances performance. First, let's define clear prompts. A clear prompt uses simple language. Clear prompts lead to better understanding and results. Mention the tone: professional, conversational, motivational, or simple. If you have multiple tasks, break them into steps or give clear sequencing. You can also show the sample output. The AI follows patterns extremely well. You can also assign the AI a role to shape the response. Good prompting is often done through refining: shorten this, expand this, or rewrite this. Vague prompts lead to vague answers. Specific prompts provide detailed information. They answer the who, what, where, when, and why. An example would be: give 3 reasons to stay focused. This shapes responses into clear, concise answers. Let's apply these ideas in an example. Imagine you want to write a story. Instead of saying, "Write a story," try, "Write a story about a lost dog finding its way home." This precise prompt guides focus and sparks creativity. To summarize, effective prompts are clear, actionable, and specific. They lead to engaging results and empower users. Start crafting prompts using these guidelines. Experience the difference in your results, and your creativity deserves it. In the next video we will discuss about prompt templates for everyday tasks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.